Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am going to create a project on STM32 on interfacing GPS module with STM32 microcontroller. GPS module provides us the latitude and longitude. We have to make the circuit connection as per the following images, which I am going to show you. So this is the complete circuit diagram of interfacing GPS module STM32. So let us see what the components are needed for this project. So this is the STM32 microcontroller, and we have to give the power from here through the USB cable. And this is the GPS module. It has 4 pins as shown in the figure. And here you see the connection between the GPS module and microcontroller, as the 4 pins are connected to the microcontroller in this manner. And it is the serial port as you see in the figure. And here in the right side we have 16x2 LCD display, and this screen will display the latitude and longitude. So these are the components required for this project. So let us give the power to the circuit. I'm going to show you the circuit diagram live. As you see that when you give the power through this port, the screen start to display here, and GPS module is showing the signal here. And when you upload the code on the Arduino, it will start showing the latitude and longitude, and from map you can easily cross check the latitude and longitude. So this is the complete code of the GPS module. You can I have given the link in the description. You can check from there. You can copy the codes from there and upload it on the Arduino. After uploading it on the Arduino, you have to upload the code, and after uploading the code, you will see the required latitude and longitude of your location. So moving towards it, after I have to click here, I have to upload the code. So when you upload the code on the Arduino, you will see this type of interface on your screen. The latitude and longitude, it is showing latitude 11.095050 and longitude 77.318365. So for cross checking it, you have to go on the Google, and here you have to type Google Maps. From there you can cross check your latitude and longitude. So you have to go on the Google and type Google Maps. Here you have to make sure that your mobile Gmail account is signed in and GPS is turned on in the phone. So when you go on this site, you will see this type of interface. This blue dot is showing your current live location. You have to switch to the satellite view, and when you click on this blue dot, you will see the required latitude and longitude. As I have from the screen, I have recorded 11.059 something and 77.318, and it is verified that my latitude and longitude are absolutely correct as I saw in the board. So here you see that latitude 11.059 and longitude 77.38. It is as similar to your live current location. So finally it is verified that this GPS module is working fine with this STM32, and my latitude and longitude are verified with the live location. Thank you for today.